Hello, all. Good to be back with all of you again. I was just wondering what I could share with you all this week. A common issue that each one of us is going through, even the corporate world, everyone know where they are. One of the biggest challenges they face is stress among people. That is affecting their career, that is affecting their family life, that is affecting their official life, that is affecting their health. And very in-depth studies are going into it, how to break that. So I was reading an article written by Dr. Nadine Greener on stressless leadership. It is very interesting. What she has written is, leaders who can forgive themselves and others gain tremendous respect and trust from others and helps lower stress levels. Forgiveness is a conscious and a deliberate decision to pardon someone who had harmed or adversely affected you. It doesn't mean forgetting, condoning, or excusing offenses. It's about liberating yourself from anger and negative feelings and achieving peace of mind. Beautifully written. See, even the corporate world is looking at how to get over stress, and the key factor they have found out is forgiving other people. This is the whole backbone, the theme of Bible, which Christ has always propounded. In Luke 23rd chapter, 24th verse goes like this. When he is about to die on the cross, Jesus makes a statement. Jesus said, Father, forgive them, for they do not know what they are doing. And they divided up his clothes by casting lots. So Jesus tells his Father that to forgive the people who have crucified him, because they don't know what they're doing. Many a times this is what happens. Many people act against us even without knowing what they're doing. So having the big heart to know they have done without knowing is the first step towards giving freedom, giving forgiveness to someone. In Colossians, it is written like this, 3rd chapter, 13th verse. Bear with other and forgive one another. If any of you have a grievance against someone, forgive as the Lord forgave you. So that is a key factor which has to happen in our life. Forgiving somebody. That can take away our stress. That can take away our pain. And you will be abundantly well in all your areas. It is because God has given us this forgiveness, we are all surviving. There is a beautiful hymn which goes like this. God has forgiven all my sins. Behind his back, they all are cast. He'll never call to mind again the sins he vanquished in the past. God has forgiven all my sins. And as a gloomy cloud is blown, my sins are vanished all away. No more will they be seen or known. My sins were like a heavy stone, God cast and buried in the sea, and east so far from west is thrown. My sins have been removed from me. Because of that, we don't have any guilt now. We have nothing in our life. There is one more small incident which I want to share. There's an incident in the Old Testament in Genesis 26th chapter, where a character called Isaac builds a lot of wells or digs a lot of wells to take water out for his agriculture, his farming, and for his cattle. During that time, water was a sign of prosperity, the sign of civilization, the fountainhead of everything. But you see there, his enemy is coming and covering all the wells where he is not able to draw out water. But he doesn't care about that. He goes digs another well. Again that happens. And the third time he does, nobody comes to him, and his abundance, prosperity starts from there. What I mean to is, if you are waiting to fight with on small unnecessary things, you yourself is stopping your blessing. Let us not do that. God bless you. Have a wonderful week ahead. Bye bye.